I'm going to show you how to encrypt files on Kali Linux. Yep, using both command line tricks and some graphical tools. Whether it's your secret diary or some hush-hush work stuff, we've got you covered. Oh, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. Ready? Let's get into it. So why should you care about encryption? Picture this. Your files are like a secret note you don't want just anyone reading. Encryption scrambles that note into a jumbled mess that only the right person, you, can unscramble. On Kali Linux, this is a big deal because we're often messing with sensitive stuff, right? Whether it's important docs or backups, encryption's your safety net. Even if someone sneaks into your system, they're stuck staring at gibberish without the key. Alright, let's kick things off with GPG, GNU Privacy Guard. Think of it as your go-to tool for locking up files. Most of the time, Kali's got it ready to roll, but let's double check. Pop open your terminal and type GPG version. If it spits out a version number, you're golden. If not, no sweat. Just type sudo apt-get install GNU PG, hit enter, and boom, you've got GPG installed. This little gem can do password-based encryption or the fancy public-private key stuff. Today, we're keeping it simple. Now, let's lock up a file with a password, aka symmetric encryption. It's perfect when you just need something quick and secure. Fire up your terminal and type GPG symmetric. Swap with whatever you're encrypting, like say secret.txt. So you'd type GPG symmetric secret.txt. Press enter and it'll ask for a passphrase. Pick something tough, like superhero level tough, but easy enough for you to remember. That passphrase is your ticket to unlocking it later, so don't lose it. Alright, time to unlock that file. In the terminal, type GPG decrypt For our example, that's GPG decrypt secret.txt.gpg. Hit enter, punch in your passphrase, and voila, your file's back to normal. Pretty slick, huh? You can save it or just peek at it, whatever you need. So why go with symmetric encryption? It's the no fuss, no muss option. You don't have to deal with public and private keys, which can feel like a puzzle if you're new to this. It's like the easy mode of encryption, super secure but way less complicated. Perfect for keeping your personal files under wraps. And there you have it. Your files are now locked up tighter than a vault. If you found this guide helpful, please smash that like button. It really helps us know you're loving the content. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a tech tip from us. Got questions or maybe a cool encryption trick you want to share? Drop it in the comments below. I'm dying to hear from you. Oh, and if you want more Kali Linux tutorials or other cybersecurity goodies, check out the playlist linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bash.